Are your software tools crashing due to the Unityplayer DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'm going to diagnose that registry error and fix it now. This DLL file is the core runtime library for games built with the Unity engine. It manages graphics rendering, physics, input, and script execution, making it the most critical file for running Unity games on PC. With the why out of the way, let's focus on getting you running again. A damaged or incomplete Unity engine installation is the most likely cause for this error. You'll need to reinstall the latest official version of Unity Engine to restore required files such as the Unityplayer.dll to the application directory. If you're still seeing the missing file notification, we should attempt to force a synchronization between the software and the OS. A standard reboot clears out temporary memory conflicts and gives the Windows loader another chance to properly register the Unity Player component during startup. Before you restart, bookmark this video or hit the like button. It makes it much easier to find this tutorial in your history so you can pick up exactly where we left off. Before you proceed, let's touch on the essential safety standards for handling shared library files. A vital technical reminder: modifying the Unity Player DLL manually is a high-risk procedure that can overwrite essential library files your hardware depends on for basic functionality and secure processing. For a comprehensive approach to system health, I recommend incorporating a verified maintenance protocol into your routine. Organize your system registry, improve initialization times, and manage the Unity Player references. Click the link below for the technical diagnostic now. Thank you for trusting us with your system repair today. For more configuration tips and Unity Engine error resolutions, don't forget to like and subscribe.